You can't make this shit up. Yep, lifted mud quad. What's the differential? Mud.
Hey, I can not get thinking.
Alright, so Marcus was complaining about popping in the rear end. Well, the splines on this axle are shot. He got another used axle. We're going to put that in there, see if he can make it through Trike Fest. We got Trike Fest coming up this coming weekend. He's on his way up north to get there. So, yep, he got a trailer pack full. All them three-wheeler junkies going to be out there showing off their products, their bikes, and having a good old time. It's a big old party up there in Illinois. You guys are prepped, ready to go to Trike Fest and support the Florida brand. Sawyer Custom and Speed heading up north. Got a couple of people repping. We're good to go. Old Big Bird tooling out the shop. Barely fit between the well pump and the car. Yeah, hell of a time when the sheriff shows up, that's for sure. Love having Marcus come over, bring his buddies, always have a good time. Trike Fest is a yearly event. If you guys want to check it out, it's up in Illinois somewhere. Haven't been, only heard about it, but seen plenty of videos. Them boys seem to have a good time. They got drag races, mud fest, motocross, TT, flat track shows, all kinds of stuff. Big old party for guys that like three-wheelers. Now, the yellow ones on 35s, the red ones, I'm sorry, the yellow ones on 33s, the red ones on 35s. Tony's orange one is on 35s, which is not in the video. Wish I had that thing rolling around. Would have been good to have all three of those things next to each other, that's for sure. We'll be getting that in the future, though. Oh, William said he wanted a front brake set up because he was eyeballing Tony's. He liked the idea of having brakes on his lifted red. Neither of these two have brakes, so yeah. Brakes are always good when you want to stop. They're running 75% internal gear reduction. Yellow got 12-inch stretch. Red one, I think, has got a 12-inch stretch. Yep. Good times, good times. Appreciate all the comments, the likes, the shares. Make sure you don't forget to do them. And we'll see y'all in the next one. We got the Banshee video going together, trying to finish it up. Y'all have a great day.